Now our next topic is about the threat hunting, like how we can identify the threats. Okay. So how we can find the vulnerabilities, different kind of a tool we're going to use for the same. Okay. So for that purpose, like we need to install the VMware. Okay. So we need to install that. This is the virtualization emulator. You can say that. With the help of that, like we can use the virtual environment here. Let me demonstrate it to you a little bit. Like this is a kind of a virtual environment, VMware and Apache. I can use here the multiple operating system at the same time. So if you see here, I have here uh, like like Kali Linux is here. I just need to open it, just power it on. So parallelly, I can use multiple operating system here. What I mean to say, and for the lab purpose, we can use it. Okay. So it's a Linux platform, Kali Linux, and where usually the cybersecurity experts, hackers usually prefer to use Kali Linux. The reason behind that, like we have ample amount of possibilities and tools here within the Kali. So we need to, you know, uh, learn about the threat hunting. Threat hunting is something like, identifying threats within the different platforms.